Foosball table legs are really coming together now. So I ended up having to take off another 1/2 inch to account for this on each side. Otherwise it would have messed up the holes. So they should be lined up now. And then, so we have it going all the way around the 1/2 inch. I also put this block in there so that when we screw the outside in, we can screw right into this block. So extra support here. I also put the legs on. And now the next part, I'm not going to put it on now, but I want to make it. But I need to get a measurement. I need to know the part that this screws into it. Is it 5/8? I think it's 5/8. Or is it 3/4? Because what I want to do is the table comes down to like right here. That's where that black line is. And so I want to make a piece for right here, about this long, that's going to go up against that after the bolts are already installed. So it'll be just extra support there. And plus it'll just look better. I think it'll add more dimension to the legs. So I also put a little groove in these bolts. You can see it right there better. And drilled a hole in the washer so I can put this screw in to hold that from twisting. Now it is going to be pretty close to the hole, but I think it'll be okay. I'll have to pre-drill because they're pretty big. To get the head that big, I need to go with a bigger shank screw. They are silver, so I'll touch a little black to them after I get them in. They can disappear a little bit. So I'm ready to oil all the legs. I want to get them all oiled. And I have a bunch of other stuff to oil. I almost have this accent piece done, so I want to finish that up. And then I'm just going to oil a bunch of stuff because I got the foosball legs. And over here I have foosball tops here. I was started last year. I have 5 of them, so 4 goes on a table, so this will finish up the 3. I have 3 in the basement, I think, now. So I think I'll have 2 full sets, if I remember correctly, after I do this. And there's some really nice wood in here because I'm using short pieces. I'm able to salvage wood that it wasn't very long, but it's just beautiful. And then I'll have 4 of the ceiling accent pieces to oil too, because I have 3 here and I'll finish up the one over there. So we'll be doing a bunch of oiling and it's looking great.